Let me go ahead and say something that's going to probably sound wild to you at first. LinkedIn in 2025 is one of the easiest places to make money online. And almost nobody in the beginner creator world is talking about it. Everybody is busy chasing TikTok trends, fighting with YouTube algorithm, or posting on Instagram for free exposure that never shows up. Meanwhile, the people who quietly learn the LinkedIn platform, baby, they're collecting checks and not $10 checks either. I'm talking about high-paying clients, brand deals, paid content features, consulting calls, UGC contracts, and digital product sales. All happening on a platform that most people haven't logged into since their old job told them to update their profile picture. So let me spill the tea today. Because once you understand how LinkedIn actually works, you're going to be shocked at how much money you've been leaving on the table. The first shift you have to understand is this. LinkedIn is not social media. Let's just get that straight. It's a marketplace. People aren't there to argue about pop culture, show brunch pictures, or fight in the comment section. No. They're there to spend money, to hire people, to find solutions, and make business decisions. And that alone changes the entire energy of that platform. When people scroll on LinkedIn, their mindset is already focused on business. That means they see you as a service provider, not as someone begging for likes, subscribe, or hit that notification bell. And because the environment is professional, people they automatically expect to pay more. So a $47 product on Instagram becomes a $147 product on LinkedIn with no extra work. That's the beauty of being in a room where people expect high value. Now let's talk about the first way to make money, which is the foundation of everything else and why you're here, right? LinkedIn in 2025 is the easiest place to attract high-paying clients, as I said, even if you're brand new. And don't let the word client scare you either. If you've ever helped someone to do something, you already have a skill that you can offer. It could be writing, editing, social media management, graphic design, video editing, UGC creation, creating thumbnails, building digital products, using ChatGPT for content creation, managing a company blog, offering AI services, or even organizing someone's content ideas or even their calendars. The secret is positioning yourself. When you optimize your LinkedIn profile with the right title, the right banner, and the right About Me section, people start coming to you. They will find you. You're not chasing them. You're attracting them. And this part right here is where beginners win. Companies love hiring independent contractors on LinkedIn. Why? Because they avoid employee paperwork and paying taxes and all that stuff. That means you can get work faster. You can charge more per project, and you can stay flexible. Once you post 2 or 3 powerful pieces of content showing what you do or what you can do, people start DMing you, asking for your rates. I've seen people go from 0 to booked out in weeks from nothing but LinkedIn content. The second moneymaker on LinkedIn that hardly anyone talks about is the LinkedIn creator mode. Yeah, that's a thing. When you turn this on, your profile transforms. Suddenly your content reaches more people. Your posts land in front of people outside of the network. And you unlock features like LinkedIn newsletters. Now let me tell you something. Newsletters on LinkedIn are like gold. The people who read them are serious. They're professional and ready to take action. The algorithm pushes newsletters harder than regular posts, which means that you can grow an email list. You can send traffic to your offers, promote your digital products, or build authority in a way Instagram and TikTok could never match. Let that sink in. LinkedIn newsletters are how beginners position themselves as industry experts, even when they're just getting started. All you have to do is document your process. For example, if you're learning AI tools, for example, talk about what you learned. If you're building your YouTube channel, talk about the journey. If you're creating digital products, share the behind the scenes stuff. People love transparency on LinkedIn. Why? Because everyone there is trying to grow professionally. Now, here's where it gets even sweeter. LinkedIn has a hidden influencer ecosystem or ecosystem, however you want to pronounce it. They don't call it the Creator Fund, but brands absolutely pay LinkedIn creators because LinkedIn has the highest value audience. Brands know if you recommend something to business-minded people, the conversion will be strong. That is why LinkedIn influencers earn more money per deal than Instagram influencers with more followers. You don't need 100,000 followers. People with 3,000 followers on LinkedIn are landing paid partnerships. Why? Because brands value the quality of the audience, not the size. The next way to make money is through freelancing and consulting offers that you create yourself. LinkedIn is the perfect platform to promote a digital offer that positions you as a problem solver. You can offer things like content strategy calls, AI setup sessions, YouTube audits, thumbnail feedback calls, email marketing help, business organization sessions, literally anything that your audience needs. LinkedIn users pay for expertise and knowledge and skills. They don't want to waste time guessing. They'd rather pay you to solve something in 60 minutes than struggle with it for 6 months. And you can charge premium rates too, because this is a professional community and they're willing to pay. Here's another secret income stream, and this is using LinkedIn search feature to position yourself for remote-based contract work. Here's the twist though. The money is not in the jobs, it's in the contractor roles. So if you search for contract, freelance, remote jobs, consultant, creator, writer, or content specialist, you will see companies hunting. And when I'm telling you hunting for people who can handle projects without being employees. These roles often pay more per hour and offer more freedom. People don't realize LinkedIn is one of the biggest hubs for flexible online work. Now, before I go any further, let me pause right here because this is the perfect moment to remind you that if you really want to make money online outside of YouTube AdSense, well, you don't have to worry about going viral. And outside of constantly posting for free on YouTube, my Ultimate Creator Income Workshop bundle breaks this down step by step. I teach you how to create offers, how to choose revenue streams, how to package your skills, how to price your services, how to attract clients, and how to automate the entire system so that you're not grinding 24/7. And I'm also offering you a free ebook called 7 Juicy Ways to Make Money Online Without AdSense. These 2 resources will help you take everything that you've learned today and turn it into actual income, real income. Now let's move into a part of LinkedIn that most beginners miss because they think it's too advanced. But it's actually the easiest part, if you ask me, and that's digital product sales. LinkedIn is the perfect place to sell digital offers because the platform is full of people who want shortcuts. Shortcuts to grow their business. Shortcuts to use AI tools. Shortcuts to build content. Shortcuts to stay competitive. So if you create anything that solves a business problem, a creator problem, or a productivity problem, LinkedIn will help you move it faster than any other platform. I bet you didn't even think about that. Imagine offering digital products like templates, planners, checklists, swipe files, AI prompt sheets, email messages, YouTube growth guides, or even niche books, ebooks. Your LinkedIn content becomes the funnel that leads people straight to your offer. You don't need fancy ads. You don't even need a massive following. You just need to show up consistently with valuable insights. Before I close this out, I want you to understand something. LinkedIn in 2025 is a platform where beginners win because people are tired of fake flexing and oversaturated advice. Professionals want real people, real skills, and real solutions. And once you learn how to position yourself on LinkedIn, you will look back and wonder why you didn't start sooner. I'm telling you. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, and I hope you've got some value out of this video. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stay ahead of the curve with a video titled Discover the Hottest Trends to Earn Money Online in 2025. And trust me, if you want to catch these waves early, that video is going to blow your mind. You've got the skills, you've got the platform. Now let's go get income. Right? I know I'm right. And I know you got this. Thanks for watching.